Hi students, it's the EK Academy. Welcome. A wall is in the shape of trapezium. The first level of the wall is made up of 50 bricks, where at the top level has 14 bricks. If levels from each other by 4 bricks, if actually there is a difference of four bricks difference in each level, determine the number of levels of bricks and also bricks used to make the wall. So dear students, the way this is arithmetic series questions. We're going to see it how is it like. So we have a wall which is actually constructed in a trapezium shape. So what they do here, let us see. Okay, this is a wall we're going to construct. In the first line, we will be having 50 bricks. So it will be decreasing, the number of bricks actually will be decreasing slowly to the point when we have 14 bricks at the top level. And we will be having different levels. We don't know how many levels actually we have, but this is the brick we are having. So this is a brick we are having, and this is our wall. Now, okay. So we have levels. You have levels, but we don't know actually how many levels are there. So the first equation, we have to look for this number of levels, dear students. And for our case, you are going to consider now 50 as the first term of your arithmetic progression. So I will consider it to be A1 equals to 50, AN equals to 14, common difference equals to 4. So we were told that if the level from each other differ by 4 bricks, so what is the number of levels? So from this, we can use the formula AN equals to A1 plus N minus 1 multiplied by common difference D. So AN is 14 equals to A1 50 plus N minus 1 multiplied by 4. So you have 14 minus 50, directly be getting 36 negative equals to 4n minus 4. And the common difference is going to be negative, an apology, negative. So you have negative 36c equals to negative 4n plus 4. Now you'll be having negative 36c minus 4 equals negative 4n. So negative 4n will be equal to negative 40. Negative 4n will be equal to negative 40. And by dividing here, you get n, negative 40 over negative 4. Number of levels, dear students, is going to be 10. So for this part here, number of levels is 10. Now determine the number of bricks used to make the wall. So we are going to find now sum of n term we know that is n2 n over 2 a1 plus an. So for our case, sum of 10 layers will be taking 10 over 2 in the bracket 50 plus 14. So you have 5 being multiplied by 64. When you multiply, actually you get 320 bricks. So 320 bricks are going to be used to make the wall, and we'll be having 10 levels, dear students. So that is solution for this arithmetic progression question. Thank you.